Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my summer FabFitFun with you guys. I'm very excited to open this box, and if you want to see what is inside, then just keep on watching. This is the magazine that came in this quarter's box, and of course it's got Eva Longoria on the front of it. And it's got information on all of our little goodies inside. I really love getting these magazines. It's got a lot of useful information in there. Like for instance, whatever products that you're getting in the box, it'll have those items in use and just additional information on those. So it is pretty helpful, and it also has the prices of all the products. So I'm going to be going back and forth referencing this. But before I dig into what came in the box, I wanted to go over some items that I added on. So the first thing that I added on was 2 of these toothpaste from David's. So it's a premium natural toothpaste. It's whitening, anti-plaque, fresh breath. It was $5, and I figured that's really what the price is of ones that I get from Walmart. So I figured I would give these a try. It couldn't help, and they're natural, so I figured that would be good. I got one for me and my husband, and then I also got one for our kids. And then I also added on a toner because I love toners and I go through them like crazy. I didn't realize that this one would be this small, but this is from the Lifestyle Company, which I've never used, so I figured I would try them out. It's 100% natural. It's a clearing facial toner, and what really made me choose this one was because I saw that the first ingredient in here was organic aloe leaf, and my skin tends to do extremely well with aloe, as I'm sure a lot of yours does, but that is what intrigued me with this. So I'm really interested to give this a try. Right now I'm working on a Skin Company, the Truffle Therapy Toner, and I have been enjoying that one as well, but after that I will be digging into that one. And then an option of what you could get in the box, but I didn't choose for myself. Basically, you can choose more than one thing. It will just be an additional charge if you do, so it'll be like additional $15 or $10 depending on the value of the item. And all customers of FabFitFun get to choose like 2 or 3 items. But if you're a select member, which I became on this box, you get to choose more of your items. You just have to sign up for a year. So that's kind of how FabFitFun works if you weren't familiar with that. But this is one that I added on. So I did not get this for me, but I got this for someone very special in my life. And it's a $50 bag that I got for 15 bucks. So, I mean, you can't beat that. It's a really nice beach bag. It's got really nice like rope handles lined on the inside. It's got little pockets on the inside. So I know that that person will enjoy this so much, and that's a big tip. If you're getting this box, you can get really nice gifts at a steal. So got that, and I love that. Now we will get into what came into the box. Now that I've taken like 5 minutes out of your time. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this Sol de Janeiro. This is the moisturizing shower cream gel. This retails for $25. And then this is the Boom Boom cream. So this is extremely popular. I'm sure that you have heard of this. Now this I have not used. This I have, and this retails for 20 bucks. So these two together are $45. So that's a huge deal right there. I mean, the box cost $49.99, and this is $45 right here. Now this, it's sealed, so that's good. But this cream here, it is extremely moisturizing. It sinks into the skin extremely quickly, which I love and appreciate. It does smell good. It's got kind of like an almond, pistachio, vanilla type of a scent. So it is very nice. It's not items that I would normally purchase myself, just because they are so pricey, but I really enjoy getting them in the box. Now, another item that I would never ever purchase by myself is the 111 Skin. This is Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So this is a box of 5 masks, and this is the one that I was torn between, like getting the bag or getting these masks, and I chose the mask for myself. So these 5 masks retail for $160. That is $32 a mask, which is insane. But celebrity makeup artists use these all the time. Basically, it's just a rose gold face mask. It does have actual gold in the face mask. It's got 24 karat gold to be exact. So you just put it on for 20 minutes on your face, and then once that is done, I would put this sucker on my neck and get all of the goodie out of it. But I am looking forward to using this. They recommend to use these 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm sorry, but that would be $160 for 2 weeks of facial mask, and that is not going down. I will use those for extremely special occasions like weddings, just special events, things like that, but that is definitely not going to be like my everyday face mask by any means. Okay, something else that I got in the box, and everyone got this. This is the Invisibobble, the traceless hair ring. I have been wanting to try these for a very long time. I know that they are not supposed to crimp your hair at all, which is why I was so interested in these. I've never used them, like I said, but I know that they do lose their shape over time, and you just put these in warm water or hit them with your blow dryer on low heat, and they'll go right back to their original shape. But these 6 little hair ties right here, how much do these retail for? $16. Again, something I've been eyeing these, but I just haven't wanted to purchase them because they are pretty pricey. So I like that I got them in the box. Something else that everyone is getting is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I do have this. I have this currently in my bathroom, and I have been using it. I do really like it. You have to use a lot of product, so that would be my only complaint, but your skin feels so nice after you've used this. It just feels like silk. It feels like you don't have a pore on your face. I do really, really enjoy this, and this retails for $39. I got that when it was like an add-on to the box, so I got it for a lot cheaper than that, but I do really, really enjoy it. Now, something that I got to choose from becoming a select member is this guy here. This is the Kula Makeup Setting Spray. I believe this is new. It's SPF 30. It's pretty pricey. It's 1.5 ounces, and it's 1.5 ounces, and it retails for $36. It's a glass bottle. I'll show you what it looks like. It's packaged in here pretty well. I just thought that this would be perfect for the summer because it is so hot. I live in South Carolina. I know I mentioned that a few times, but it gets like painfully hot outside. Walking from inside to your car literally burns. But this is it here. It's very cute. It's a glass bottle, like I said. It's got one of those metal balls, so you shake this up before you spray it. But I just thought it would be really nice for summer. I did not know that there was going to be another spray that came in the box that everybody got. So I also got the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. And as you know, rose is extremely hydrating. It's great for your skin. Water is also great for your skin, so this is great. This is a plastic bottle, I believe. Yeah, and this one is pretty huge. This is 8 fluid ounces. So let me see if it smells like rose. It does smell like rose, so I will really love that. I love the scent of rose. Anything floral, I really, really enjoy. So you're supposed to be able to spray this, before you do your makeup as a setting spray to refresh throughout the day, like you can with most setting sprays. So nothing new there, but I do love the packaging, just how simple it is. I haven't tried anything from Grace and Stella, so I'm interested to give that a go. And this will last you a while, 8 ounces. So that is really nice. And this one retails for $25.95. Still got 3 more things. Now, one of the things, I think this was a choice. I think everybody could have got this choice. But there was a few items, and I wasn't really digging any of them, so I chose the mystery choice. And I would say that that is a tip. If you don't like those choices, choose the mystery choice. I got in one box, I got the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, which is like a $75 product on its own as the mystery choice. So insane. Now this, I have been trying a lot of Skin & Co. And actually the truffle therapy. So this is the cleansing oil. Haven't tried this, but basically you're supposed to vigorously shake this to get all those settled bits mixed in. So you shake it up and you put this on a cotton pad, wipe it all over your face. It's supposed to remove your makeup, and then you just rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry. The truffle therapy items from Skin & Co. smell amazing. This smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like vanilla deliciousness. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. I am in the process of using my Glam Glow, the bubble foaming cleanser or whatever, the one that recently came in BoxyCharm. I'm in the process of using that, and I do really enjoy it. And that, I'm sorry, I think that retails for about 29 bucks. Now next, everyone got this. This is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. You put this on your feet, you let it sit. Your feet are supposed to be extremely soft in the morning. It's got a ton of great ingredients on here. It's got willow bark extract, pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract, black tea leaf extract, so a bunch of really good ingredients. I have had a lot of luck with Wish products before. I have an eye mask from them that I absolutely love. But this one here retails for $32. And then the last item, and this was a choice item. I think I got to choose this when I upgraded. This is the Jennifer Zuner Star Double Necklace, and this retails for $50. So it comes in a cute little bag here. It's just one of those dainty necklaces. It's got two little chains, and it's got stars on either side of it. It is gold, and I don't really wear gold that often. But between the other items, this is the one that was the best for me. So that is everything that I got in my box. It is an extremely good value if you were keeping up. I love all of this stuff. I will have the total value of the box linked down below in the description, as well as links to all of these products and FabFitFun if you're interested. It's not an affiliate link at all. It's just for your convenience in case you're interested. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been a while since I've posted. I've just been extremely busy, to be honest with you, and I've made excuses for myself. I don't see it slowing down anytime soon, so I'm done making excuses. Throughout my break, I have continued to purchase stuff, and quite literally that stuff is piling up in my room. I haven't tried any of it because I wanted to try it all with you guys and share it all with you guys. And I am going to have a ton of content coming, so just stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.